Buying a car in the US can feel exciting, but also risky. Every year, thousands of buyers lose money to hidden fees, shady dealers, or even fake listings. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to buy a car in America without getting scammed. Step 1. The first mistake people make is walking into a dealership without research. Before you go anywhere, check prices on websites like Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, or AutoTrader. Compare what cars are selling for in your area. That way, you'll know if a dealer's special price is actually fair or a trap. Step 2. Never buy a car without checking its history report. Use services like Carfax or AutoCheck. These reports show if the car's been in accidents, had flood damage, or even been stolen. If a seller refuses to give you the VIN number or a history report, walk away immediately. Step 3. Pictures online can hide a lot. Always inspect the car in person. Check the tires, brakes, and lights. Look for mismatched paint. It could mean the car's been in a crash. And never skip the test drive. If the car shakes, pulls to one side, or makes strange noises, that's a red flag. Step 4. Even if the car looks perfect, have an independent mechanic check it before you buy. Many scams involve hiding problems that only a professional can spot, like engine trouble or transmission issues. Spending $100 on an inspection could save you thousands later. Step 5. Some dealerships use sneaky tactics, like adding fake documentation fees, pushing expensive warranties, or promising today-only discounts. Don't let pressure rush your decision. Read every line of the contract before signing. And if something looks off, ask questions. Remember, you can always walk away. Step 6. When paying, never use cash for a private sale. Use a cashier's check or bank transfer, and make sure the seller hands over a clean title with no liens. The title should match the seller's ID. If it doesn't, that's a huge warning sign. Buying a car doesn't have to be stressful. With research, inspections, and patience, you can drive away with peace of mind. And no scams.